Thanks to replica digital twins of real design products and the real-time power of Unreal Engine, creating marketing and social content has never been easier. Combining the accuracy of certified replicas, the immediacy of a live scene, and the creative power of generative AI. And with the Replica MCP, AI agents gain spatial awareness. They can see the 3D scene, capture the exact view, and use it, not just to suggest creative directions, but to seamlessly handle the content generation itself. Start from a correct 3D base, frame your products freely, and give the model the right visual data, guided by a clear artistic vision. Then play with different generative models. The look changes, but the identity of the design product stays intact. Real products, real time, and AI working together. Start creating at replica.space.